Hello, myself Sunil Ramkrishnan Nair, and here basically we are discussing about some topic that is earthquakes. And in earthquake, basically we are discussing one topic that is currencies and its dependency. In this topic, basically we will discuss one topic basically that actually is very dangerous topic basically, and that will clear lots of things basically. And actually we have discussed it, but in clear format we will discuss. For example, one person told that assume that coronavirus basically yet has not came. Some new basically disease came basically. We can't say it as a virus basically because disease can basically generate medicine from disease. If disease is there, then medicine is also there. So he told that this is the basically disease came from the nuclear power company basically. Here basically the normal people can't do anything. Energy company also basically can't do anything. Power company also basically can't do anything. Only nuclear power company and satellite group basically. They only basically are the heroes for the new disease. Nobody else basically can't. Even World Bank also basically, World Health Organization also basically can't do anything. So they basically told that basically new disease basically comes. So how basically they are going to track? How basically they are going to track the new disease basically? That for the disease basically came from this area basically. They basically tracked the energy. That this is the energy basically on the base of the disease basically has came, right? First option is that this actually we have already discussed, but then also video satellite basically. First is video satellite. From video basically we are going to track exact time of the entering of the energy of the disease energy into the area of earth universe. This is first thing basically, right? Another is the energy connected planets basically. That time basically we are going to track. This is the one solution basically, and mostly basically this from this solution basically each and everything basically gets planets tracked. So planet basically has been tracked, that this is the planet basically. They are basically telling that this is our requirement, please fulfill it. So like this basically way they gives the requirement, and this is very dangerous way basically actually. So they basically tell this basically this is the requirement. Like this basically they given the requirement. Nuclear power company, energy company, satellite company all basically studied the thing, and basically they start creating the antibiotic of the planet basically. Few people died, they started placing the people into that planet also basically. That is also done basically because planet is already tracked. Here basically I will take that basically it's a 5 lakh planet. Lots of basically possibilities might be there basically. Lots of basically ways are basically there. For example, if you get any disease basically, then lots of ways basically. Desi medicines are there, English medicines are there, Ayurvedic are there, homeopathy is there, allopathy is there. Each and every medicine basically are there. So like this, the people basically started placing there. There basically people all basically skeleton basically are there basically, and even sometime basically the bodies basically has been reached there. The data basically is cleared, antibiotic is cleared. They started creating the cities basically. City created. City started created. City is equal to that planet and planet's data basically. So from this area only basically the 5 lakh planet basically are going to get the data basically. Here basically we assume that basically the 5 lakh planet which has been placed as a, here basically we will take that basically it's a corona, the name basically which is given basically. In real basically the universe group basically NASA ISRO basically groups have their own system basically. They give their own name basically. That is basically the address basically, you can say, of the universe of the planet basically. That this is the address of the this particular planet basically. So like this basically, he told that basically that planet is going to reach here basically after his journey basically. He'd 100% going to reach here. So just see the setting also basically, how the things basically are set. So like this 5 lakh planet is there. 5 lakh planet basically placed human. The data of the city basically was dumped into the corona planet, that are 5 lakh planet. There basically human creation also basically started. So just to see basically the antibiotic group basically were creating the cities now. They are actually creating the human basically. They are actually creating the human basically. Like this basically the chain basically has created a corona planet and earth planet with the help of the city basically. This is one way basically. Like this basically, where there are basically many ways of the chaining the planets basically. Main basically thing was what? To chain the planet basically. For that basically this everything basically happened. Because there is no other way basically of chaining the things basically, there is no other way basically. You can't chain the thing basically directly basically. And you can't basically say that come planet basically we want to do the chain. That type of thing basically you can't do in universe basically. In universe basically uh, uh, nothing basically happens automatically. You have to do everything manually. Now the thing, this setting is done. Now things basically will get automatically with the help of the satellite. This is one way basically. Like this basically there are thousands of ways basically in universe basically. And like this basically the medicine also created, everything basically got created also basically. But that will take time basically. So one person asked the question basically, can we basically get the time basically? Because this type of thing basically in corona basically lots of people died here basically, more than a crore of people basically died. Then he told that basically for that only basically we are creating this 5 crore people basically. 5 crore people are going to place there basically. For that basically satellites basically are sending energies basically, new energies basically are getting tracked. These solar things basically there. But sometimes basically the energy basically attracts. For that basically you can't do anything basically. The example, best example is your upward reporting person basically can do anything with your personal information. He can take, he can basically access your computer, he basically can do anything basically. Like same way it's like that basically. It's a simple formula basically. Earth planet basically is created by which planet? Assume that it's created by 50 crore planet. So that planet basically can do anything with you basically. Why? Because they have created you. Universe law basically. Assume that 50 crore planet also basically ended. Now basically what are the things going to happen? You have to basically move to universe. If any planet basically attracts you, then basically take the data. But this type of thing basically never happens. Reason planet basically never ends in universe. That is the rule basically. So rules basically is planet basically never gets end. So this is also one of the part basically. Best example of how to track the disease in Earth planet basically. And universe basically they always basically track the disease basically. That is basically by default because they are expert basically in this. So in next video basically we are, and in this basically only satellite group and NASA satellite group and the universe group and the nuclear power company group only basically can identify the disease. So in next video we are going to see a little bit more about this.